All right, here we have the Riland 200SE inverter welder. This is both 110 and 220. They give you the adapter. Here's your grounding cable. Copper on the inside. Here is your electrode holder. And they include, I believe it's 6 60-13 rods for you to start with, or to get that one project done. You know, they always give you this chipping hammer, the old trusty chipping hammer. This one includes a little mask. I mean, I guess if you know, you just had one project to do, or you just had maybe a weld or two to do, this would definitely get you through. Or if you have somebody on standby who just wants to watch. Here on the back side, they do give you a really large cooling fan to keep this unit cool. On-off switch. Looks like you have some slots here, possibly for a strap. They did not include it, but maybe you can put a carrying strap on that. So this unit is very straightforward, super easy. We're going to attach our grounding clamp to the positive. And here is our stinger electrode holder. This will be to the negative. So grounding clamp to the workpiece. This to the welding rod. Pretty straightforward. I am plugged into 110, as you can see here, and this is letting me go up to 200 amps. I'm not sure if it'll weld at 200 amps, but it does let me move the dial up to 200. The fan is pushing a lot of air, so we know this unit's going to stay cool. Why don't we take it outside and burn a few of those rods they gave us and try to get a feel for this unit. Okay, here's one last look at the Riland 200 amp. A compact, lightweight, 3.5 pounds, portable, powerful unit, stick welder. This can be bought on Amazon for $99. I will leave a link in the description below.